guys, welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. Today I'm going to be talking about new launches from Plum, and Plum is a brand with whom I have a love-hate kind of a relationship. There are some products which I absolutely love and some products which I do not like at all. A few days back, someone commented under one of my videos to review the Vitamin C Glow Serum. So I thought, why not, let's just buy all the new launches from Plum and review it for you. I have bought all these products from Amazon because Amazon has great discounts during their sales, and right now also they have their great Freedom Festival sale from 1st to 6th August. So अभी भी ये सारे products आपको discount में मिल जाएंगे, बहुत अच्छे discount पे मिल जाएंगे. So I will leave all the links in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. So I have the new perfume, new body lotion, their vegan mucin essence. It's going to be an interesting video. Let's get started. First, let's talk about this Plum Calendula and 10% Vitamin C Barrier Boosting Plus Glow Serum. This was a collaboration with Mridul, I think, and this is a very interesting product because they have this word barrier boosting, and they say that this one has ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide in it. So I have never seen ceramides along with vitamin C in any product before. I've only seen vitamin C. Sometimes there is vitamin C and niacinamide, but this is kind of new because it is supposed to repair your barrier as well. I'm only going to give you short reviews on these products today because I plan on doing detailed separate videos on each of these products in the future, so stay tuned for that. This product is supposed to restore your skin's natural glow. Now, what vitamin C does, we all know about it. If you have dark spots, if you have pigmentation, uneven skin tone, and if you want to deal with oxidative stress which leads to premature aging, then vitamin C is your buddy. Coming to my experience with this product, I had quite a lot of pimples on this side of my face. I will leave a before and after picture if I can find. So I started using it. I think I got it delivered. I got all the products delivered on 15th July, and I started using all these products from that day, and I'm only using Plum's product to give you this review, and I have noticed the dark spots fade away a little bit. Now, of course, the skincare product will take time. I completely forgot to show you the inner packaging. This is how it looks, and the system of this is very good. You just need to press this twice. It's a pump kind of a system, and then you just unlock it and you can apply it. What happens with this pump system is that you have control on how much product you are picking. But one thing that I would like to mention is that vitamin C products generally are sticky. So this one is also a little bit sticky, but it is only a little. I can ignore the stickiness if this is working, which it is. So I will give this 7 out of 10. The next product that I have is a very different kind of a product that they have launched. This is Plum Amino Acids and Marine Spring Water 1% Replenishing Toning Mist. This is supposed to hydrate, cool, and revitalize your skin. This is for all skin types. Now, the packaging of this is very interesting. It comes in this hexagon kind of a packaging, and then it's kind of a roll. You know how you open paper rolls? So if you just cut this sellotape and the sellotape at the top, it will just open like a roll, and they have all the information printed inside it. This is the inner packaging, and how cool it looks. It looks like a test tube, and it comes in the spray form, of course, because it's a mist. I love the color of it. It actually reminds you of the sea, the minerals, and something related to chemistry. It's just very on point. It is supposed to hydrate the skin, calm any inflammation or irritation that you might have on your skin, and it recharges the lost minerals of your skin, which happens due to pollution and stress. So basically, it gives that fresh, energizing feel to your skin. My experience with this product is that it feels very refreshing on the skin. It absorbs into the skin very quickly, like within seconds, and it doesn't make my skin oily. Other than that, I have never been able to understand what these mists actually do, because these kind of things do not really, show any kind of effect on your face. It's like you're spraying it, you know that it feels refreshed, it is in your mind, and that is it. I did not have any inflammation or irritation, to be honest, to judge if this worked or not. I just had those pimples. This is a product that you can skip. It's not good, it's not bad. Actually, I don't know what it is because I have not seen any kind of difference. So it depends on you. If you want to try something new, you can go for it. It is actually refreshing, and it can be great for the summers, but Yeah, other than that, I don't know what it does. I'll give this 5 out of 10. Next, we have Plum, Cica, and Hayabutane Vegan Mucin Essence. This helps in hydrating and revitalizing your skin. Now, you know one ingredient that has been going viral since we learned about Korean beauty is that snail mucin essence. But Plum is a vegan brand, so they have come up with vegan mucin essence. The packaging of this is again very interesting. You open it like this and it just unfolds the product like this. So inside this you have a lot of information printed. This is not as slimy as snail mucin, but it is still slimy. And once I apply it, it instantly hydrates my skin. You just need to let it set for some time and it will completely absorb into your skin. It does not feel sticky at all. Now let me tell you my experience with this. The first time I applied it, and like I applied it at night, and when I woke up and washed my face, I could feel that my face felt so smooth. I'm not kidding. I don't know how it happened, but it does make your skin feel so smooth. I will give this 8 out of 10. This is the last skincare product in this video. This is Plum's Alpha Arbutin 2% and Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum. This is supposed to fade your tan and control melanin production. You know that Alpha Arbutin works for dark spots, pigmentation, uneven skin tone. But this also says that it helps in fading tan. Now, I have been to a beach, I think 2 months ago, and I still have the tan on my face and neck. I think you can see. So it of course did not help in fading the tan. Coming to the dark spots, I think it does something. Like, it's not a very great product, but I think it does something to the skin for the dark spots. Like, maybe it faded 5% for it, but I like using the serum because it is so lightweight on the skin. Like, it's non-sticky. It is just like water. It absorbs so easily into the skin. And Alpha Arbutin is a very mild ingredient. So if you want something to help with your dark spots, you can go for Alpha Arbutin and try it out. Anyways, इतना कुछ huge difference मुझे दिखा नहीं है, so I will give this 4 out of 10. Moving on to the product I think you all have been waiting for. This is their Moon-Kissed Drama perfume, which they have recently launched. And by the packaging, you know that I am a purple lover. मैं कुछ भी purple देखती हूँ, मुझे वो खरीदना होता है. And the packaging is very fantasy night themed, which is the theme of this perfume. The inside packaging looks something like this, which has this ombre effect going on. It's a very simple packaging on the inside, to be honest. Let me read out the notes of this. Applying a little bit of it, and the first note that you get is of blackberry. It's a very intense blackberry fragrance. The second thing that you notice is that it's a very floral kind of a fragrance. It is very sweet. It's very soothing. Like, you can keep smelling it. It's not overpowering. It's a very soft kind of a smell. But I have to say, this is not a day fragrance. Like, when you sniff it, you will realize this is something which will be perfect for a date night. Perfume itself seems very sensual, musky, and date night kind of a flavor. I can also smell a little bit of rose, but not very much of vanilla. It just smells delicious. I can't explain how good it is. The lasting power is really bad. Like, it doesn't last at all. एक घंटा भी चल गया तो you are lucky. And it is not like something कि तुम घर आ जाओ फिर भी तुम्हारे कपड़ों में उसका fragrance रहे. It's not like that. The staying power is like zero. I also feel that when you're outside, hardly anybody will notice this because it's just, as I told you, it's a very subtle kind of a fragrance. So it's not overpowering like sabko mile. You will only get the fragrance. But I cannot just disregard this product because I love the fragrance so much. I at least have never smelled anything like this. So if you really want to buy it for the fragrance, you can wait for the sale. There is always this buy one get one sale. You can get it from that. Or right now Amazon is having a sale, as I told you, so this might be at a discount. You can check it out. Last product is this newly launched Lily Miss Sunshine Body Lotion with SPF 35 and PA+++. It is supposed to cool down your skin by 1 degree Fahrenheit because it has aloe juice, and it is clinically proven for skin brightening and tan reduction. Let me read out the description of this. A zesty mix of juicy fruits and breezy florals that will have you strolling through a sun-soaked paradise. So it is supposed to have this fruity kind of a fragrance. Let's try it out. I mean, I have tried out. but I have forgotten the fragrance. This is very, very lightweight. I have taken a lot of the product, but let's just try to blend it out. So this is after blending, and you can see the glow on this product. It is very moisturizing. This is very lightweight, so of course you can use it in summers. But it is hydrating, so winter में भी चल जाएगा. This one has this zesty kind of a fragrance as they talked about. Orange या lemon वो समझ नहीं आ रहा है, and it has a hint of the fragrance of lilies. But the hydration is top notch. Fragrance उतना impressive नहीं है, and थोड़ी देर बाद ये fragrance उतना रहता भी नहीं है. So my verdict is, if you want a body lotion, a good body lotion for both summer and winter, then this is one. But if you're looking for something with a very good fragrance, this is not for you. But I do think the fragrance is not bad, of course, and the fragrance is very citrusy, so it's also very refreshing. Summer के लिए तो एकदम perfect. I'll give this product 5 out of 10 because it's average. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section below for which product you want to see a detailed review and which product you like the most. And also don't forget that Amazon is having their great Freedom Festival sale from 1st to 6th August. So you need to stock up on your favorite skincare and makeup products right now. Thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you next week with another video. Take care till then. Tata.